Good morning, students. Today I will take your class on the chapter Our Agriculture in India. Specifically, in this chapter, students we will learning major agricultural crops cultivated in India. If you learn the chapter picture wise, you will understand the chapter even better. So students, please give your attention and see the video clip. Okay, let us start. Our agricultural wealth. Gandhiji's famous line, India lives in its villages, says a lot about our country. Around 3/4 of our population that lives in villages depend on agriculture for its livelihood. Naturally, our economic progress depends a lot on how strong our agricultural sector is. Agriculture is the science of practice of farming which involves preparing and maintaining soil for growing useful plants or crops. A crop can be defined as any cultivated plant that is harvested for the purpose of consumption in terms of food, livestock fodder, clothing, medicines, biofuel, etc. Agriculture also includes rearing of animals for production of edible animal products such as dairy products, meat, and other products like wool. Types of crops. Crops are of two types. 1. Food crops. 2. Cash crops. Food crops form the overall diet of a nation. Cereals, pulses, oilseeds, and millets are food crops. Cash crops are grown for their commercial value. Sugarcane, cotton, jutes are some examples of cash crops. Crops are also categorized on the basis of sowing and harvesting seasons. Kharif crops, also called monsoon crops in subcontinent, are planted in the monsoon season and harvested during the retreating monsoons. Some kharif crops are rice, millet, maize, sugarcane, cotton, tea and coffee. Rabi crops, also called winter crops, are planted in winter and harvested in spring. Rabi is the Arabic word for spring season. Some Rabi crops are wheat, potato, mustard, gram, green peas. Food crops. Some of the food crops are as follows. Rice. Rice is the major food crops of India. It is the staple food of living mostly in eastern and southern states. Rice needs a humid climate and it is grown in the areas of abundant rainfall. It is the main kharif crop of the India. River basins and deltas are ideal for growing rice. The major producers of the rice are West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh as well as Odisha. Good irrigation methods have resulted in improved rice production. like Punjab, Haryana. The hilly terrain to Kashmir to Assam is also suitable for rice production. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important crop after rice and is also the most important Rabi crop. This crop is the staple food of northwestern India. When sown, wheat needs cool and wet climate. It also needs bright sunlight at the time of ripening and harvesting. Wheat is mostly grown in the plains of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Many areas of Bihar, Rajasthan, Maharashtra also produce wheat. Millet. Millets are coarse or seeded grains. They are grown as cereal crops across the country. Millets are largely consumed as major food crops and also served as fodder and bird food. They have higher protein content than both wheat and rice. Millet needs drier atmospheric conditions than the other food crops like rice and wheat. State producer of millets are Jawar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Bajra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Ragi, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana.